Up. I'm taking Ben down to the river, and I'm going to do a sound check at the same time. You know, everybody's talking about wind and how the wind is terrible in the microphone, and so I am going to ride the scooter down to the river with Ben and see how the audio is. It should be craptacular, but you never know, it might be good. I tried it on the big bike and it broke up pretty bad as it got higher. But I think that it wasn't the wind, but the vibration, because it was actually strapped on the bike. This time I'm hand holding it, so maybe we'll get better results. So we are doing about 20 miles per hour right now. And as you can see, the dog is with me. And when we get down to the river, where it's just always windy, we can try different things. So again, this is just a basic audio test on an iPhone 10 with a Rode, Rode Videomic Me L, which is the one with the lightning connector. I have it on an extended cable, so I can bring it up top and it stays out of the camera view. Although that's not really important now because it's pointed at me and not where we're going. So, brisk. So cold. As you can hear, the sound quality is dramatically different from the Rode mic to the iPhone mic. But that's an extreme situation with wind. Here's how it sounds to just be outside. All right, quick test. This is with the mic plugged in. And I'm going to unplug it now. And now, this is the stock mic. I have the gains way down, so I might have to do this over again.